my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen
Ever.
This is the last day my guy's going back to mother.
Yeah, so guys, this is Asad. Welcome back to Asad Experience YouTube channel. This is almost my 10th, is it 10th day in Namibia? And I'm with my favorite people in Namibia.
The Germanese.
The Germans. so they are always laughing at my pronunciation of English.
No. Ours is better than most.
Are we supposed to say Germans or Germanese?
I think we're supposed to say Germans, but I like your way better. Germany sounds on. Yep. Oh.
So this place is called Matutura. Matutura. Behind it there is a city called the DRC. You said it's the development.
Informal settlement.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a development settlement community.
community.
Yeah.
Ah, that's amazing.
They settle themselves there on their own.
On their own.
By themselves.
Yeah.
So Friday they want to do what? So if you want to put up anything, just go and put it up.
Oh, if you want to put up a house, you can just go build there anyway.
No one asks you anything.
Nobody asked that.
So that's why this place doesn't have electricity or something. I mean, the government doesn't care about it.
No, the government is supposed to relocate the people and give them proper place where they can stay.
For real?
Yeah.
Wow.
Give them proper houses, but housing is so expensive in Namibia. You know, the average person in Namibia cannot afford a place to stay. That's why most of the people end up staying in such places.
Wow. I guess that's so sad, man.
Or in these small houses. These are the new ones.
Imagine the Maikibera people. Imagine she's saying these are small houses. Do you know how people live?
Sorry.
No,
No, these are the average size. This is a 2-bedroom. It's a very close, together.
Well,
Cozy, in other words. But obviously, the next guy is used to a bigger space. So it differs. Everybody wants what they want. So,
anyway, Killer, everyone with his level of life.
I've talked about.
So, let's get in a cab. Something interesting with Namibia, I don't know if I told you about it. They have, it's like a fixed price for cabs, for taxis. Like wherever you go is $13. Even in Windhoek, the capital city of Namibia, the price is the same. So wherever you just wanna go, just board. Don't ask anything. The price is the same.
It depends on how far you travel.
Some places it's not the same. You can ask the guy, he can explain. Yeah.
For real?
The thing is, some other places, the
double.
other price like Swakopni.
Yeah.
There's a place where we pay $65, mail 14.
For real?
Far
Yeah,
distances.
and there is a place where we pay 35.
Okay.
That one is a mail 4. We have a place like Matutura. If there is a main road there, especially that one, you find me. If you go in where I find you now, you
Yeah.
pay $26. Then it's where it differs.
Oh.
And Swakop and Windhoek,
Yeah.
Swakop it depends like from 10 o'clock.
Oh.
It's 26. You see, but Valves Bay, even 4 o'clock is just $18.
Wow.
Okay.
That's amazing. I guess that was a very useful information.
I personally think that the taxi drivers of Swakop hassle the customers because it's supposed to be double from 12, not from 10 o'clock.
Only after 12. because then
Only
it's
after 12.
hours.
No, after 12 is window, but after at 10 o'clock, Swakop.
Okay, if you want to make rules now like Windhoek Swakop,
Yeah.
then I think Windhoek is bigger than Swakop.
Yeah.
So Swakop taxis must ask $8 while Windhoek is charging $15.
Yeah.
That would be fair if you want to say that Swakop Windhoek.
But,
So
but,
if you want to charge the same
but
price
the,
as
the thing
Windhoek,
is, do you see what? Windhoek is cheaper than Swakop. Swakop is something else, do you see? And our petrol from Valves by Haba it's very cheap, more than window.
Yeah,
You
then
see.
why do you charge more for the customers
Depending
here?
to our taxi committee, they are the one
No,
who's making
you
those
are the taxi committee. You are the taxi committee.
But do you see
The
what?
taxi committee is nobody else but the taxi driver.
Yeah, do you see
so what I'm saying is,
Mm.
I'm saying is the taxi drivers of Swakop, they are hustling the customers. That's what I am saying.
Yeah, that is what you are saying. But if you are saying Swakop, Swakop will receive more visitors than Window. Do you see?
But the petrol is cheaper in Swakop than in
yeah,
Window.
yeah. Then
Swakop
our hustle should be there, not Window. Window
No.
is a capital city, but they don't know money yet.
No.
Yeah, serious.
The problem with Swakop is,
Pepe wants justice.
yeah, I want justice and equal rights. You know?
Yeah.
Okay.
The problem with Swakop is the residents of Swakop, the locals,
Yeah.
they think everybody is a tourist, you know.
Yeah.
So they are very smart, even the young kids, the
Yeah.
small kids. I
Yeah.
asked the kid the other day, what was she selling?
How is it
Yeah,
called?
biscuits.
Yeah, biscuits.
Now biscuits are normally $1.
Yeah.
Now just because I asked her what's the price, she said $2 because she thought I was a tourist.
I was-
Yeah, maybe she knows.
So that's what the
why.
residents do. Anything simple, they will charge you double or triple the price
Yeah,
if
No,
you are
but
not from
but
Swakop.
sometimes-
Because Swakop is a tourist destination, and
Yeah.
most of the people that come here are tourists. And unfortunately, I wish the people could just stop hustling the people and just do normal business with the people. I think it would attract more, and everybody
Yeah,
would be
sure.
happy, you know? But instead, if they see you are local, they're gonna sell it for this price, and if they see you are foreign, they're gonna sell it for another price. Me, I'm local, and I know what they do.
Don't you think that's mistreating your visitors, man?
They're hustling the visitors.
Because people will never come back here if everything is expensive.
Everybody
because-
still comes back here, no matter the prices, because
They don't
know
know.
the tourist destination, so they are used to the prices being high.
They don't know that the people are hustling them more. They don't know that
Yeah.
the prices are not the same. The price will differ for me
Yeah.
Wow.
than it is to him. Then the foreigner or the local, like you, for instance, if you were buying something and you ask somebody what the price, they will just look at you and say, no, this one is not from here.
Yeah,
then
your
they give you
accent,
a
yeah.
ridiculous price. Even the taxi.
Yeah, sure.
They hustle me all the
They
time.
hustle my wife also because she
All the
looks
time.
like she's not from here.
Yeah.
She's a Japanese, you
Yeah,
see?
Yeah, obvious. That one is mostly, especially in town. You see, if you go in town to some maybe guest house, hotels, their
Yeah.
price is so high. Do you
Yes.
see? And those guys, even those one who are selling in the street of town,
Yeah.
they know already people. They look. This
Yes.
one maybe look like outside.
No,
Yeah.
they know.
They
Let
will
me
try
all
to double.
Swakop.
Yeah.
Swakop people, they know how to look at you. They know that when you are not from here.
Yes, they
Yeah.
know
I don't know, maybe it's in
They
the
know
water
this
or
side.
maybe what, but they will know.
But the appearance of the person differ, my brother.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, obvious.
Like if you look at me, you're gonna say this is a visitor.
Yeah,
Obvious.
obvious.
For real?
And the accent itself, it
Yeah,
shows
yeah.
like.
Oh my
this person
goodness.
might be Somewhere, that's why.
Pepe, teach me Afrikaans.
Brother, you're not the only one. They keep on telling my wife to speak proper English.
Yeah, they understand the English I speak, imagine.
Hey.
Ooh, I was
They are
born-
struggling even.
But Olivia speaks fluent English, like she's not even from Africa.
No, she tells
Come on.
Tell her always. No, she should speak proper English.
Oh, I must learn English or something.
Then I
like
told
that.
her, baby, but you should speak like them. Then they can understand you.
Yeah, she will try.
cannot
You know,
even know-
sometimes I struggle to understand what she's
If
saying.
you're in Africa, you must speak Africanese.
Yeah.
If you're in America, you must speak Americanese.
Yeah.
When you are in England, you speak English.
No, but I'm stupid.
That's how it
I don't
is.
know how to do those accents. I'm gonna look
You can't
stupid.
speak English in Africa. You
Okay.
must speak Africanese.
Anyway, there are a lot of I guess YouTubers on YouTube who does content of how to pronounce English in Africa. Have you ever seen that?
No, pronunciation, I don't give a damn because I don't think intelligence is measured by English because those English speaking people, Europeans, English, what, they can't speak my language. For instance, if I ask him in my language, what's your name? Madidun Anna. We can't say that.
Madidu ngana.
Yeah, and if I say, Kim Ire, Ngam Sidagya, I love you, baby. Ngam Sidagya. He can't say that. So how can English
So why
determine
must
my
I?
intellect.
Yes.
I think my language determines my
But for
intellect.
English, it's just good as long as people they do understand what you want to say.
It's
Maybe if you
international
want to say
language.
give me water or I want to go
Yeah.
somewhere, but English doesn't need to be
No,
fluent.
I think
because
that is-
if we are making like English fluent, we are worshipping other people from
Yeah,
outside.
it's
Yeah,
a form
yeah.
of colonization.
Yeah.
Why? Yeah, it's colonization. The people are still colonizing us. Why is everything in Germany is in German? The radio stations, the TVs and everything is in German. The names of everything is in German. But
Yeah.
in Namibia, everything is in English. Why? And you get to China, everything is in Chinese. You get to India, everything is in Indian. Why should our things, everything be in English? So I think that is still colonized. We are still being colonized.
I
you know?
guess-
We should have our things in
In
our
our
languages.
languages.
You know, we should
One
teach
of our
our kids
13
in our
languages.
languages, you know, so that our kids can have a better understanding of things in their languages, you understand?
Yeah, sure. There is a saying in Swahili says, anayemiliki tumbo lako anakumiliki maisha yako. It means whoever owns your stomach owns everything about you. They own you.
Yeah.
So these people, you know, it's who you depend to for the loans and everything. I guess that's the reason why you have to follow whatever they
No,
want.
But the funny thing,
know?
you find an engineer working for Soko for Uranium or Rossing. He's a Chinese engineer, but he doesn't understand English.
Yes.
Where he's coming from,
Yes.
you see. But they want us to speak Afrikaans, English, Germanese, and everything. Why don't we have Oswambo speaker
Yes.
in Germany, maybe an engineer, but he doesn't understand English.
Yeah, yeah.
Because them, they only explain how machinery or how will they use, how will they come up with something in their own language. Then
Yeah.
they have expert. Do you see? When they
All
come
those
here,
things-
they want you to be, because you are their colonizers.
You must bow under them. Everything
Yeah.
is in their standards. If there is nobody that can teach you engineering in your language, but
Yeah.
the people can think of engineering. The people of
Yeah.
our culture, our people have been building and constructing for ages and centuries.
Yeah,
you know.
sure.
Why
Yeah,
can
the
you tell
first
me
one
about
is-
Germany's construction is the best or the Chinese construction is the best when our people have been doing construction for millions of years?
Yeah,
you
sure.
know? No, it's just colonized because Africans has been taught to hate themselves, and they have been taught that everything Western and foreign is better than their own. You know. So first of all, Africans should accept themselves, accept their cultures, accept their images, accept who themselves are. Love yourself. That is the thing. You say, love your neighbor as you love yourself. But no, it's love yourself first, and then you will love your neighbor. Because if you have no love for yourself, you can love nobody else.
Yes.
That's a fact.
That's
Wow.
what it is.
Wow, that's the wisdom of Pepe. Hashtag wisdom of Pepe.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
So-
we're not gonna go too far.
Yeah.
We're actually, I think we can just get off here somewhere in front there by Fachwerk, no? We can just get off there and then we can find a nice spot.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Taxi Driver, thank you so much for being with us in the conversation.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
We do appreciate.
I
So
appreciate.
this is how
Me,
the town
imagine
looks.
when before you enter
Look
the
at this
text, I say,
building.
these are not Namibian people.
Yeah, that's what I know. You
Ah,
Yeah,
get
the two of
you,
us are
man.
Namibians, but we are not Swakomunders.
Yeah, it shows, my friend.
Yeah.
If a person from this town of mine, I know this one is.
You know them.
Yeah,
Where are
I
we now?
know.
Are we getting a... Can we not go?
up here and get down there.
There is very nice. You
Yeah.
can go down there.
this way.
You check.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thanks, bye.
Good.
How is this place called?
Post office.
Post Office of Namibia.
And that's the police.
Yeah.
This is the post office number.
And this is the court where we're going tomorrow morning.
And that is the police station there at the corner.
Can you see that police station? I want to be arrested tomorrow.
Yes, the
It looks very nice.
nice.
Regio, come on. How do you have a nice police station?
I don't want the police station, you know. I'm Rasta, you know. They're gonna chase me.
Get arrested in Kenya and you're gonna know what it means to be at the police station.
No, I think all of those other countries up there,
Yeah?
you don't want to get arrested there.
Because,
It's a lot worse than ours.
wow, look at the breeze, guy.
You want to show
Eish.
the world that in Namibia you can dress wherever you want.
You can what maybe one.
Oh, look. Like there are a lot of coconut trees. They're everywhere. This is a coastal region of Namibia. I really don't know if I got a chance to tell you about this place.